Hello, everybody. This is my first time playing this. I kind of went through part of the tutorial already because I was too excited to play this game. I know nothing about the movies. Oh, I found this game and I saw that it had flying reptiles.
Told me I'd never amount to anything in school.
I have to follow some maintenance. But I saw I had a flying reptile, and I just want the flying. Was it Ikron? I want to watch the movies too, but in the world is that? Oh, I haven't gotten that far yet. But so far, I think this game is pretty cool. Still
No.
in
Sarinchu.
I'm still in the. Oh, shoot. Oh, I'm still in the tutorial.
Sarentu.
If I can, do it. I'm not supposed to go here. I don't know how far I've got. Am I slow? Hello? Okay, Ooh, wait. Can't you change it, please?
You helped me before. I'll help you now. Stay where you're needed.
I can have a bob. Ooh. I already looked at the hairs, I thought. For some reason, saying I got more hair now. Skin tone. I already did that. Okay. Wait. I saw somebody. They got like paint or something from this. Anyways, let me actually go do this quest before I get lost. Ooh, what's that? Crafting table. Nice. I feel really slow right now. Where's the blue dot? That's supposed to lead me. Down here? Okay. Oh, it's just down here though. Feel like I'm brain cells. Okay, I see this, right? I see this. Is it in? It's inside.
I bumped into Harding once in the hallway.
As in, literally bumped into her?
Yep. She didn't say a word. But I can still feel that.
Where is this entrance? This friggin' door. Oh, what the frick? Oh, I'm actually slow.
Yeah, feels like I'm holding this place together with duct tape and prayers.
That is so real. I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. Anyways,
Never has something
inside.
been so beautiful and so terrifying all at the same time.
Finally, we're talking.
Need some fire?
I don't
Come
want
to gear up?
No, we don't.
Remember, point away from the user.
I'm confused. It's over here now.
Must check Dr.
They're acting like Pandora has endless.
Not the clothes. Do they feel weird?
I think I like them.
Okay.
I want to keep my hat. And some other bits. And try out some of the tech. You have to meet this Alex guy. He's like an inventor.
You settled in fast.
Well, it's weird being out of tap. But everyone here's been super nice.
So weird. Is because he's trying to work like a person, or is that just how they work in this game? Do I walk like this? I forgot how you look at
Can't keep away, I see. And you brought another Navi.
Alex builds stuff, mechanisms, and technology for all kinds of communications and discovery.
And a little chaos, if I have the tuning right. See this? This is SID, my systems interrogation device. Good name, right? Bit of a mouthful, perhaps. Ajir thought it was a little much, but what does he know? I designed it with Navi in mind, a little troublemaker for RDA technology. Cobbled it together with old RDA parts.
And tap parts.
Yes, well, we could probably scratch that off or paint over it, if you like. I've been trying to get Alma to test it.
Oh, we can test it. Can we? We can test it?
That could be fun.
He's like a kid.
I can make one for each of you. Go ahead. Get a feel for it.
Like, oh, can we test it? Can we test it? I was just making sure everything was working. I have it. Make sure. File.
I'm actually hoping you can find the faulty wiring in our air filtration. See the wires running under the floors here? You should be able to track those to the maintenance panels. Give it a go. My data shows a fault upstairs as well. Probably that damn wiring. Mind taking a quick look? The tool should lock onto the frequency. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Ah, I miss lemons.
Name that lemons on Pandora? Is that what this is called? Pandora?
It was too obvious. She's an idiot now.
I think it is.
Hey, Alex. I think I found the fault.
Just a little hack, and the system will reset. Do you mind?
That tiny medbay is ready for anything.
Okay, wait, hold, yeah.
I think I got it.
Ah, you see, it is a useful tool, isn't it? I told Alma this. This is our future. I must say, I'm looking forward to seeing what you do with it. Nice to have one's work come to something. But I've ordered you about enough. Alma's gathering everyone for a briefing. I believe your friends are still exploring outside.
Contaminants in the air is concerning.
I like the story so far. It's kind of neat. Oh, that's almost. I'll turn around for food now. What? That is.
Bah, I wish I had my truck here. Not to drive, but just to work on it.
Palmer's. I'll take those. I don't know what they do. I'll take them. Spring. I watched somebody play like the beginning
There
part,
you are!
and they were so funny.
Dylan said you made it out.
I'd forgotten how it feels to simply sit in the breeze. Taste the sweetness on the air. Not listen to Mercer talk about their civilized culture.
There are more colors than I remember.
And he's still got like.
I have no names for them.
Parts.
We'll learn their names. We'll relearn all the Sarenbu ways.
Why do you think Alma waited to bring us here? Why didn't she check Tap before?
Maybe it wasn't safe before.
It's not safe now.
Who cares? We are free. I want to run until my lungs ache and my legs give out.
He's
We
real
could
good.
leave, you
Not gonna
know,
lie.
right now.
Where would we go?
Wherever we want. All of us. What do you think? You, me, Inela, Telan? We could live as Sarentu again.
Alma brought us here for a reason. She's gathering everyone inside to talk. She must have a plan.
Don't stay here for her. She wants to control you. All the humans do.
No, they don't. Alma was always kind to us.
She's
The
right.
people here like her, and they're nice, aren't they? They seem nice. Priya let me use her radio.
I believe they want to help us.
Let's go see what Alma wants. Maybe it's something fun?
I doubt that.
This game is actually like
No.
really nice looking.
Please,
And it is.
come on.
I want food.
Everyone's waiting.
Fine, fine.
I'm hungry.
Just give me a minute. The light is different out here. I want to enjoy it.
Yum.
Haven't we spent enough time in metal boxes? At least tonight. We'll sleep under the stars. Like our families did.
Okay. Do I got paint over here now? I want paint. I want paint. No. Sad.
Will I ever feel truly happy?
Go to the briefing. Commands. Okie dokie. Second take. Oh, this is. I like that girl, the Priya girl. She is funny. Well,
John Mercer,
funny.
founder of the TAP
Oh,
program.
that's the bad guy. I don't like.
The
him.
silent
He
who
don't
know
matter. I
him
can't believe
all
he
too
killed
well,
Pandora.
but for many of you, he is a new face. He has returned to Pandora as the executive vice president of Frontier Operations, alongside your old friend from TAP, Colonel Angela Harding, as his head of security.
Oh.
He is ambitious, self-serving, egotistical.
And you worked with him.
We've been fighting the RDA for many months now. What difference can this man make?
Mercer's tactics are aggressive. That, coupled with his frustrations over TAP's failure, we need to strategize. Our outreach work with the nearest clans has been difficult. Some Aranahe were willing to fight, but after suffering losses on their side, they have since withdrawn. We haven't explored further than the Zeswa. They're fierce, but they're unwilling to make a human alliance. Your clan was one of travelers, storytellers, diplomats. Respected. The Na'vi might listen to you.
Alma? We have a pollution spike close by. Like, really close. Check out the levels. RDA, it has to be.
They're here. With Mercer.
No, not him. Pollution is caused by RDA machinery. They must be setting up a regular drill site.
Carving up the land, poisoning it, turning it to sludge.
They've never been this close to HQ before. If they go wandering, they'll find us for sure.
We're spread thin right now. Solek, can you establish a safe perimeter? Anka, try and reach Hajir over radio.
I can try to shut down that drill site. I think I have the hang of Sid now.
I don't think that's such a good idea.
Let them go. I've seen them fight. They'll be fine.
Bro got trust.
Okay, but be careful.
Almost
The rest
like
of
a
you,
worried
get
mother.
ready to intercept any other patrols. Keep your radios on.
Be ready. If the RDA see you at their drill site, they will engage. Remember what I taught you. Craft your arrows, focus your senses. There are supplies by the main airlock should you need.
Nice firepower. Hear it get you that?
Try broski. Oh, keep running into these freaking other people.
I stay as long as it is useful for the cause.
I'll take those. Will I be able to use it? Where is it I need to go? Where's my life thing? Where'd it go? My blue.
Hey, Priya, I'm near the drill site. The ground here, it's...
Every time the RDA sets up somewhere, it's the same thing. Their equipment pollutes everything around it. Everything. But hey, Pandora's strong. Shut down those drills and the land will recover. One sec, I'll check the schematics.
You have those?
Being ex-RDA's gotta have some benefits, right? I'm kidding. Yeah, they're not flexible. Looks like we've got two things here. The cooling unit on the drill and a generator, probably at the edge of their site.
What about the RDA?
Well, you could probably shut down the site without engaging them, if you want. Unless, you know, they see you doing it.
That's going on.
They don't need it.
Hey, hello? Can you hear me? I'm out with the others. We heard that bang. Is everything okay?
I shut down the drills. We should be RDA free for a while.
Well, we found something. Up high. Like a big flower. The others are excited, but I don't know. I'm not sure. Will you come look?
Honestly, I wouldn't take chances. Oh, there it is. Can't do that. Got everything? Not really searching utensil.
Are you close? Do you see the butterflies? At least I think they're butterflies. Follow them and you'll find it.
These people have to be really nimble to do this. I don't know how in the world they're able to do this every day. Oh. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, no, things.
Up here! Come on, quick!
Everybody, my mom had me do something. I had to leave my room.
The flower that opens only for the Sarentu to connect to Ewa after so many years.
Ewa, I've dreamed of this.
Do you think we should do this? This doesn't look right.
You've never seen one before. Pandora isn't made of metal and wires.
Yeah, but do you think maybe it's poisonous? Or something? That color. I'm sure that color means poison.
Ewa would not harm us.
The professor warned me about Ewa.
We'll connect together, okay? At the same time.
Broski is chicken, but also. I see those all the time on like the TikToks and whatnot, and it kind of like freak me out. I don't like it.
But what is this? The mark I myself made? Do you know me, child? I am Entu, ancestor. Indeed, the first of our clan. We Sarentu wander Pandora, weaving together the clan with stories. You are new, are you not, to this world? Come to the Tarsu, child, when you need the wisdom of the ancestors, and you will thrive. But first, you must learn to survive. The first time you look upon Pandora is like the first time I looked upon the sea. I saw a vast, single thing, never still, always moving. But you can ride it to faraway places, or you can drown within it. To survive on Pandora, you must learn to move like the waves, to leap and to ride, to flow with the same energy. Take this gift of flow, child, and live.
Speaking the words of the wise, I guess. so see to push away from this or so additionally. So, like, okay, I get it. Huh. So can we all do that now?
Our ancestor, a real Sarentu.
Do you think he knew that we were different from other Napi?
I don't think we are.
We didn't grow up in a clan. We didn't hear all our songs, our stories. We only learned the Sky People's ways. Death, destruction, hate.
But we still belong to Ewa, right?
Mercer said Ewa brings pain. A black cloud over heart and mind. Full of tricks and lies.
He needed us to be afraid. To silence us. To control us. This is the way of the Sarentu. Our connection to the Great Mother.
Honestly, she makes good points. Turn to persuade first.